neuroscientists developed first-of-its-kind approach for studying the sensory experiences. I am Helena Decker, and this is MPNeuro Highlights. Our brains have a remarkable knack for adaptability. Each and every day, the neuronal connections within are constantly changing, molded by what we experience in our daily lives. The memories we make cause lasting changes to neuronal circuits. Along with learning and memory, sensory experiences such as listening to music or appreciating a stunning view also have a similar effect on the brain. Incoming sensory information activates neurons in the cortex, causing long-term modifications to the circuitry depending on what we experience. This process, called experience-dependent plasticity, is part of the reason why our brains develop differently due to unique individual life experiences. But how do our brains convert relatively short-lasting neuronal activity into the long-term changes driven by our sensory experiences? The key lies in specialized proteins called activity-dependent transcription factors. Responding to neuronal activity, these factors activate genes within the cell, helping to translate rapid incoming signaling into slower-lasting changes. Researchers at the Max Planck Florida Institute for Neuroscience have developed a new way to study how this process is actually occurring in a living brain. Combining the specialized techniques of 2-photon calcium imaging and 2-photon fluorescence lifetime imaging with novel biosensors, scientists for the first time ever were able to investigate how transcription factors function in a living brain with single-cell resolution. They observed that the sensory experience can finely tune the sensitivity of activity-dependent transcription in the living brain. This unique approach can be broadly applied to many different types of transcription factors in the future and will allow an unprecedented opportunity to unravel the transcription dynamics underlying experience-dependent plasticity in the brain. If you want to learn more about this study, click the link in the description. Also, if you want to keep informed about our groundbreaking discoveries, subscribe to our newsletter. MPNeuro is your source for the latest neuroscience research news from the Max Planck Society.